Happy Thursday music share on a Friday. This is a fun one. That's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. Well, maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Listen to preachers, listen to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, you have the role. Still screaming, driving me insane. Going off the rails on a crazy train. Going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me. You gotta listen to my words, yeah. Where's the cold war? Sweetly come. Inherited troubles, I'm mentally numb. Crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. Mental wounds not healing, life's a bitter shame. Going off the rails on a crazy train. Going off the rails on a crazy train. All right, not perfect, but that's how you know it's not AI. See ya. Bye-bye.